Hello friends, today we are discussing design of Uni-Axially and Bi-Axially loaded long column. So this is the analysis result. We take PO is 500, sorry 1500. We take not 1500. Okay, we consider 1000 kilonewton. Okay, MU we consider 50. This will consider 45. Sectional property of column we consider 500. Okay, depth also 500, length 3.2 meter, percentage of steel is 2.5, clear cover 40, and diameter of main bar we consider currently 12 okay. FCK is 25 kilonewton, we consider 25 kilonewton. Okay, kilo 25 newton per square. Okay, MPa. Fi still Fy 500. Okay, diameter of lateral bar 8 then beam, this is the width of beam and this is the depth of beam. Reinforcement, we first of all we provide two opposite side. Okay, we can provide four side also, but we currently assuming two opposite side. Okay, now we calculated the eccentricity according to our formula. We calculated the eccentricity. Okay, first we calculated the eccentricity, then we calculated the, okay, fine. So after calculating eccentricity, moment due to eccentricity we calculated. Okay, so after find out of eccentricity we calculated the mx. Okay, final primary moments. Okay, this is the mx, this is the my. Okay, according to the okay, mx and my. Then after effect to length factors, we consider our uh, effect to length is 1.2. First of all, you can consider according to you. Okay, if we consider just 1.2, we consider the, you can see here we calculated here 2.0, how it will become 2.7 meter. Okay, this is the lux means after minusing the depth of beam you can get the 2.7 meter. After we applied the effect to length factors, so after applying effect to length factor you will get 3.2 meter. Okay, then we find out the KL by depth ratio. So this is the KL by depth ratio. Okay, column is short in both direction. Okay, so we find out the K1 and K2 values. Okay, just we considering the column in okay, we will take 300 here and here also 300. What will we see? Column is short in both direction. Okay, uh, 600. Okay, column is short in both direction. Consider we increase the PO 1500. Okay, we, this is lecture about column is just we consider 1000. Okay, column is short. Fine, we will consider this one is a 4 meter. Okay, fine, 230. This is 600. Fine. Okay, this will also be considered 230, 450. Fine. Column is short in one direction. Okay, 75. 450 we will consider. This also 450. Okay, column is short in one direction. 5.6 meter length. Okay, column is longer in both direction. Okay, column is longer in both direction. We calculate the eccentricity, then after we calculate the moment, then mx, my, then we calculated the effective length factors, then effective length. After that we calculate KL by depth ratio. So after this we calculated the k1 k2's value. How we will calculate the k1 k2 values? You can click here. According to the d dash by d ratio, you calculated the this k1 and k2 values. Okay, this k1 and k2 values. Okay, then after you calculated the pu pbx and pby. Okay, how we will calculate the pbx pby? There is some formulas, so according to the formulas we calculate the pbx pby and pbz. Okay, so after we calculated the design moments, so you can see the design moment. This is the design moments. After design moments we calculated the mex divided by fck bd square. Okay, this ratio we calculated. How we calculated this? From this chart. So you can see for d dash by d 0.05, 0.10. so according to this is chart for 415 chart, this is for 500 chart. Okay, for 500 charts you can see. Okay, according to this we calculated these values, we taking these values from these charts. Okay, so after calculation of this chart, okay, after we calculated the values from this chart, we calculated MUYY and MUXX. Okay, then after we calculated the alpha n, this is should be less than 1. Okay, now we calculated the design process. The design procedure is we calculated the AST required, AST minimum, number of bars. So this check will be passed. So how much area required? This one. So we change this to 12 bar. Okay, this is failing. Fine, we do 8 bar of 16 okay, fine. 20 okay, no, it will not taking 20 bars. 25 okay, this will be passed, this check will be passed. So after that design of lateral reinforcement 230. So from 3 it will take minimum value. This is the 230 is the minimum value. Provide the 8 230. Okay, this is the diagrams. Okay, so how we calculated the all the things. Okay, if you want this excel sheet, please contact to the given number. Okay, thank you.